What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to play GTA 5 on your PC without any scams or viruses. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. All what you need to do guys, just open your browser and save Epic Games. And go here Epic Games download and open this first site and click here in right corner download. Save your installation. When you downloaded Epic Games launcher like me, just install it on your PC and go here run. Okay guys, when you installed Epic Games on your PC, just create your fast account on Epic Games. When you do that, sign it like me. Also today is mega sale on Epic Games. Go here in search store and save GTA 5. And you will see GTA 5 Premium Edition, click on it. As you can see, 50% is mega sale. Just click here and claim your game and you will get on your library. This is the good deal for you to buy today GTA 5. This is the only legit way and the safe way. Don't get some viruses on your PC. I see you in the next video and bye guys.